So these are the chicken wings I'm going to be making today, and I'm going to be grilling these chicken wings. I have only 2 ingredients on these chicken wings. I will use salt and black pepper. That's the only 2 ingredients. I'm just going to grill it, and I think it's very delicious. So watch out and subscribe to this channel. Right now I'm just going to pick out some of it that I'm going to be using. I'll be using some of it. Chicken wings, you can see I'm not using every of it, just some of it. So if today is your first time coming to my channel, all I do here is cooking, and follow my channel and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you all, and God bless you as you do. So today we are making these grilled chicken wings. So you can see the chicken wings here. So I will be making these chicken wings right now. You all are welcome to this channel. So these are the chicken, already paper towel dried, and you just shake off some paper towel and just dry out all the moisture from it. So it's easy. Now these are the black pepper I will be using. So right now I'm just going to grind so you can see how the ground pepper cover everything. Right now just add some salt to it. I'll add some salt to it. So enough salt. I'm just going to gently mix everything together. See? So this is it. You're just going to let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Then so now the pan is on the fire. Right now I'm just going to add a little bit of a little bit of oil. This is olive oil, just a little bit, so that it don't get stick to the pot. One after the other, and place it to the grill pan. Okay, this is it. Let it start to cook. Both sides, we're going to do it for 5 minutes on both sides. Okay. So this is it. It's grilling already. That's it. It's really so well. So it's ready now. This is after 10 minutes. So it's now time to serve it. You can see how it looks. So good. So right now I have to serve it. So these are the chicken wings grilled. It's ready to eat. This is so delicious. You can see how, wow, this is good. You can just dip it. Oh, this is it. This is how it will look. And also this one. This dip is, I call it stew. Just tomatoes and pepper. You can see how good this is. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.